minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now I say all because every year, doing this 10 years, every year I have students that do not figure out the top, all of the top, before they divide by 2a. So you need to make sure you figure out everything on the top before you divide by 2a. You understand me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
What?
There's
Alright, here we go. So x equals the opposite of b is 2. Plus or minus the square root of, what's b squared?
4.
Minus 4 times, what's a?
7 and negative 9.
Okay. Now, I would almost suggest putting parentheses around everything as you're substituting so you don't drop any signs. Here's what is a good piece of advice for you.
At this time, we need spell ball and battle the books to the gym. Spell ball and battle the books to the gym.
So here's what you do. Here's the best piece of advice I can give you for the quadratic formula. I would make this, everybody listening? A plus negative 4. I would do it in the formula.
Why would you do that?
Okay? Just so you don't drop any signs. Okay? You don't have to.
I see what you mean.
Alright, and then that's over, what's 2 times a? And you'll need calculators today. So, what is this?
256.
What?
No.
Okay.
What's the square root of
You don't get
206?
it.
256.
What's negative 4 times 7 times negative 9?
It's 16.
I got 250.
Wait, yeah, I want, what
That's
is
like something.
Somebody tell me what 4 times 7 times 9 is.
4 times 7.
256.
No.
Negative 2.
Negative 252. Oh, never mind. That's right.
Didn't you just say to add negative 4?
They're different.
Alright, is everybody with me now?
Kind of.
Well, those of you who weren't here obviously aren't. 4 times 7 times 9, I got 252, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, now it's plus. Remember, negative times a negative is a positive, so I know this is going to be 4 plus 252. It's 256. And the square root of 256, you said 16?
Really?
Yeah. So now you have x equal to 2 plus or minus 16 over 14. So x equals 2 plus 16 is 18. 18 over 14.
9 over 7.
9 over 7. Then on your calculator, what is that? 1 point. Take it out 4 decimal places, please.
2857.
I put it in fraction.
Oh, I put
And 2 minus 16 is negative 14 over 14, negative 1. So there are your zeros. Round it to what it tells you to round it to.
What if you put it in a fraction?
Yes.
Wait, how'd you get the 252 and then go to 256?
4 plus 252. You missed me doing, those of you who were gone, I took the generic trinomial and I completed the square and got the quadratic formula.
You don't have to do that.
You do not have to do this.
Oh.
But you do have to
Yeah,
memorize the quadratic formula.
Which is all of that.
So,
Hey, on this
hey,
one.
everybody in here should be able to do what I just did over there.
In some way.
Example 2. Let's see if you can do this one on your own. 7n 3n plus 5 equals negative 3n squared plus 2. Get everything on one side, preferably a to be positive. Doesn't have to be though. What are these?
Oh, those, that one's mine, that one's no, they were on my desk coloring it, so I can over there.
Everybody work on this. We haven't gotten to these yet, so we can do those in a minute.
Wait,
You have to memorize between the white box and that's the one.
Move everything to one side so that y is 0. We have a 0 there, okay? Just keep it on there until we get going. Oh, I didn't have to write all that here.
no. Hey, Mr. Lockwood, are we allowed to do it today? Because I think I already got it.
Nope.
Well, I still think I got it memorized.
If you remember, I think it was 2 years ago, we had the 8th graders go down during the announcements and sing.
I remember that.
Sing the song.
I remember that because we were all like, what?
You're going to hear it a lot here pretty soon.
I'll do it.
Okay. Are you done?
No.
No, I'm trying to.
All right, do it. Let's go. So that should be the first thing you did. And every problem you must write the formula.
Every single problem.
Yep.
That's a long one. And you gotta write
Never
it down.
forget quadratic.
You gotta at least start doing
It's
it.
really kind of upset you all missed me doing that wonderful feat.
It was actually. You should sing the song again.
No.
Sing the song.
Just on YouTube.
I wanna hear it.
Yeah, it'll be on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. You got right up from the camera.
Wait, today's Wednesday, right?
Yeah. How do you fit that in there?
This.
Yeah, I figured it out. Oh. My paper's too small.
I need to check my math, make sure I'm doing it right. And then your calculators.
No, I am being punished. Because I always have to write sentences when I'm in trouble.
That's what I have to do.
I always have to write the exact same thing.
I have to write, I will not talk about my dad or mom or grandparents or any guardian unless you do anytime. We have the camera on its face so we can see the board.
Dang, my part.
Just checking my math here. Did I do that right? Those of you who checked it?
I got positive.
I put the wrong
I got
number.
positive.
Which one?
I got positive 1.7.
You can't.
I
Negative 7 minus 3 is going to give you negative 10.
Oh, it is.
Negative 7 plus 3 still gives you negative 4.
Okay.
It's still, both of them should be negative. The question is, did I?
What?
Yep.
I'm confused. From
Here?
like, no, farther down.
Here?
I got to where it's -7 plus or minus the square root of 13 over 6. That's where I got.
Right here.
Yeah, and then I got confused. As
So at this point, I can't do anything unless I know the square root of 13, which was 3.61. So I just rewrote this part down here with the square root of 13 being 3.61.
Did you divide it by 6?
Not until I do the top. You gotta take -7 plus 3.61,
Okay.
then divide it by 6.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. That's why it's all over 2a. You gotta do everything in the top before you divide by that denominator, yeah.
So we round to the hundreds when we have a.
Tip, I think it's the hundreds in your book. Round to whatever it says,
Alright.
okay? That is all the completing the square. I took the generic trinomial and I completed the square.
I actually did that.
All right, I actually have another example, but I don't need to do it, I assume. It's the same thing, just get everything on one side, label A, B, and C, and then plug it into the formula. Can you do that?
Yes,
All right,
sir.
so here's your assignment. Yeah, page 674, 4 to, see, I have 4 to 26 evens. What? It said 4 to 30.
It's the next one.
What? It says 4 to 30.
No, it
4 to
doesn't.
26.
No, it doesn't. It says 4 to 26.
And then,
It
does?
you didn't do the mixed review, did you? You did?
I did. Me too.
It didn't take that long.
No, it should, guys, it shouldn't take long. All right, focus in on that and then cut it off. All right, we're gonna